Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you another interesting thing. So if you see in AutoCAD, I have one circle here and I go to the layout and see everything works. So this rectangle not in the wall, it is in the layout. So some people what they used to do, they wrote architectural everything and they name all everything in the layout. So if you go to the model, you will not see here. Sometimes it will be a big problem. For some people who is doing MEP drawing, so you want to do some changes, uh, copy or move somewhere, anything, every somewhere, something else like that. So in that case, it's very easy to do. Just select the object or select the anything text or anything, whatever you have in the layout. Just type CH space, change space. This one. Then enter. No, one entering enough, and you will see it's gone inside this PS. So you will come outside of the layout. So it's came. So if you go to the model, you will see it's all together. So in this case, you may ask, what about the scale? So if your scale is 1 to 100, it will come same. It will not change. Example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo. Okay, now it's outside. Now I'm changing the scale here. Let's go 1 to 5. Okay, now you see the model change, but the rectangular not change because this is not inside the model. But if you now if you make change space, it will go inside but the same size. CH space, enter. Now you can just click outside or PS, enter. So you go there, you will see the rectangle smaller than this one, the bigger. But in the most same way, I will do undo again. So I will go to the old scale. Now again, I am changing the CH space, enter, and you can type PS again outside. So this rectangle will go on back side. Okay. Now again, you go to the layout and double click, and or you can go here like type PS. Oh, sorry, MS. I think I forget MS. So select this one, CH space, and you will see the both are came outside. But you see same what you see in the model, it's coming same. So you can go back and out, whatever you want. But keep remember, if you change the screen layout, the need change, no change. So first you transfer the text inside first, then by CH space command, then you will again you make to choose your space to take to the layout if you want. I hope you understand. And if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe. We can learn together. And if you don't, take care. Bye.